I first heard about United Methodist NOMADS some 35 years ago, but this is the first time for me to serve on a NOMADS team. We are serving at the United Methodist Circle J Camp, located in Ten Sleep, Wyoming. A town with a population of 260, Ten Sleep is where you step into the Bighorn Mountains. The camp is literally where you take that first step. It is nestled in a valley surrounded by high ridges. The river running through camp can be heard from everywhere. I had to climb atop a 500-foot ridge to get my drone to go high enough to capture the whole camp, with the orchard at one end and the bridge leading to the boys' cabin at the other. Our team is led by Gil and Sharon from Rice Lake, Wisconsin. Roger and Mardell are from Bonnie Lake, Washington. Steve and Pam are from Saline, Michigan. Jean and Elaine are from San Jose, California. Mike and Joyce are from Marionette, Wisconsin. Tom and Joan from Pipestone, Michigan. And I was from Columbia, Missouri, until I sold my home in July and moved full-time into Henry, my 2003 VW camper van. NOMADS projects may be found all across the country. A team of about a dozen nomads pull into their project site on a Sunday afternoon. For 3 weeks, they work together Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, leaving Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for exploring the area or just relaxing. The day begins at 8 a.m. with devotions and a group meeting to plan the day. Work begins at 9 with a break at 10:15. After the lunch hour, work resumes from 1 to 4 with another break in the middle. The team leader works from a wish list of projects shared by the host institution.
I got this one there. See, I got all that right there, so it's all done.
Top on our list at the Circle J was the main camp lodge and meeting space. During the first week, every inch of ceiling and walls were repainted with 4 colors of paint. Underneath the lodge, dirt was removed in order to enlarge the crawl space enough to crawl under for adding insulation under the floor of the lodge. To secure the lodge for the future, old supports were removed and replaced with new treated timber. New paneling was painted barn red and screwed into place. Other projects completed during the first 2 weeks were cracks where the chimney was pulling away from the lodge were filled and the chimney strengthened. New mortar was applied to the foundation. All of the library books, removed for the painting, were put back into place after the library shelving was attached to the wall. 2 walls in the office, which were red, became white. Open spaces in the ceiling were sealed up with boards and insulation and then painted. The walls and ceiling in the girls' bathroom were cleaned and painted. A desk from the main lodge and a dresser from the girls' bathroom were stripped, sanded, and varnished or painted. The wooden sprinkling system control box was fixed with a new board and then painted. All 2,000 screws holding down the wooden rockways were replaced with a special new screw that will not rust and dissolve like the earlier ones. In the past, moving the pews in the chapel was scratching the chapel floors, so protective pads were installed under all the pews. 2 picnic tables with rotten, broken boards received all new boards and were then painted fire engine red. The mortar used in the cinder block construction of the girls' bathroom and shower house was deteriorating from the outside. After removing the paint, a special sealant was applied before the walls were repainted. A set of wooden stairs received a new cement pad. The walls and floors in the walk-in cooler were cleaned and painted, and stays were added to the fences to strengthen them. Next week, our third week, we'll complete other projects still on the Circle J wish list. One evening, Joyce and Joan on our social committee organized an evening of beanbag tossing and horseshoe ringing. One evening, we felt good about helping a stranded family for the night. The next morning, they gave us a thank you stone the girls had painted. My birthday happened to fall during the project time. Our amazing social committee sprang into action with a birthday potluck and party that I will always remember. The evening was complete with Olympic competitions, which included hammering nails, driving screws, painting boards, and mallet tossing. The blue team won the competition. However, each member of the red team received the much sought-after Olympic silver medal. Morning devotions, which always included singing, were the highlight of each day. Prayers included daily joys and concerns. Each team member had a turn leading devotions. Every one of them was inspired and meaningful and appropriately set the tone for the day ahead. This is my first experience serving as a United Methodist nomad, and I have to say, it's just about what Henry and I needed. You can learn more about the Nomads at nomadsumc.org. Thanks for watching.